Hey guys, it's Aaron. SketchUp 2019 just released, and some people have some questions about subscription versus classic licenses, maintenance and support, Trimble ID, that sort of thing. So I want to do a quick video to walk you through the important parts of SketchUp 2019. The first thing you want to be conscious of is Trimble ID. This ID is what will log you in and out of not only our website and things like 3D Warehouse, that sort of thing, but also give you access to your subscription. If you don't already have a Trimble ID, you can make one very easily on our website, going up to the upper right corner and clicking Sign Up. This will prompt you for an email address and password. Once you sign up, this email address becomes your ID inside of all the Trimble services. So if you want to get into the viewer or your subscription for SketchUp or something else, this email address is what you have to use. We have no way of knowing that you have multiple email addresses, so remember which one you sign up for because that becomes your Trimble ID. One question we've been seeing a lot is about perpetual licenses. If you purchase SketchUp and have a perpetual license, you get to keep using that. Us adding subscription to the existing classic licenses doesn't change the fact that you bought software. If you have a license of 2018 or older, you can continue using that in perpetuity. If you are current on your maintenance and support, you can also install 2019 today. Anyone active on maintenance and support right now will be receiving an email with new activation code and serial number for 2019. If you haven't received that email and want to try 2019 right now, all you have to do is go to the site, SketchUp.com, any page, and scroll all the way to the bottom. Down here, there's this Retrieve SketchUp license. Clicking on that will prompt you for your serial number and email address where you can look up your licenses. Again, if you're current on maintenance and support, that will include information for how to get 2019 installed. With the new subscription offering, some people are a little confused about how the existing license works. The classic SketchUp license where you buy it and you can update and upgrade with maintenance and support for $120 a year has not changed. It is exactly the same. If you're a current user, you get to keep using it. If you want to subscribe, that's fine. If you want to purchase, that's an option too. If you are at the point where your maintenance and support is about to lapse, you can decide if you want to stay with the classic way of doing it and purchase that maintenance and support, or if you want to move into subscription. If you go to the plans and pricing page on SketchUp.com, it'll give you a full rundown of what's included in the subscription. This includes not only the desktop software, but access to the online version of Shop and unlimited storage on Trimble Connect. You also get access to the AR/VR options in the viewer and our full suite of XR solutions. If you decide the subscription is not for you, you can scroll to the bottom, click on the classic license, and have the option of purchasing as you have in the past. At that point, it's really just a question of what services you need and which solution is best for you. If you decide that subscription is for you, after signing up, you'll receive an email that says, "Welcome to SketchUp subscription." To activate your subscription, just scroll to the bottom and click Access My Products. With a subscription, you don't have the classic activation code and serial number that you had before. All you have to do to activate the product is log in with your Trimble ID. If you do go for the subscription, remember you're not only getting SketchUp Pro, but a bunch of other software as well. To activate that other software, you do need to download SketchUp Pro 2019 and activate it with your Trimble ID. Once inside SketchUp Pro, whether you're using a trial, classic license, or subscription, you can view how you're using that software by clicking License from the Welcome to SketchUp window. This will show you either subscription information or your classic license. Remember, to activate the additional features of your subscription, you do need to download, install, and activate your subscription inside of SketchUp Pro. Once that's done, your Trimble ID can be used to use the XR viewers, the mobile viewers, or log into SketchUp Shop. So hopefully that helps answer questions about the 2019 release. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them down below or hop over to our forum. I'll link to the forum as well as many of the other pages we looked at just now, including our knowledge base, where you can get detailed instructions on everything we just looked at. Enjoy using 2019, and thank you.